Yo! What is up, people? It is actually the first of the year. So, it is the new year. Literally the first. And we're already working on this fucking car. So basically what is going on is we have a huge, not a huge issue, but a pretty significant boost leak to where it halted tuning. And I just can't seem to find it. I've gone through pretty much everything on this side. The only thing left is right over here. So we're gonna go ahead and diagnose a boost leak. It is currently like 20 degrees outside, so I'm fucking cold. But today we have a couple things we're gonna be doing, and I'll go over them once I get them all out of this box. Alright, so what we have basically is a smoke tester. Pretty nice. It's small as fuck, dude. And it says I don't need to hook it to compressed air. It's got a mini compressor in there, so I just need power. We have the cone, and we have the silicone to get onto the turbo because we are going to be smoke testing that. We also have this attachment. Pretty nice. It's a screw-on attachment too. Holy, this is actually really nice. I don't know where it goes. I gotta read the directions. And yeah, we have gas or the smoke. Yeah, crazy. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna set all this up, and we are going to be pulling our filter off and smoke testing this. And if there are no leaks, my tuner already says that he thinks it's a wastegate back pressure problem, and I'm going to be very sad if that's the case. So I'm gonna go ahead, jump into it, set everything up, and I'll get back. Wow, look at that. Can you guys see that? My blow-off valve. Look at that. And we found the leak, boys. Beautiful. Alright. We disconnect from power. That is not what I expected, but we are leaking from the blow-off valve. Interesting stuff. Well, let's take it all down and pull off the blow-off valve. Okay, I haven't pulled off the blow-off valve yet, but what I'm going to do, or not, yeah, the blow-off valve yet, just because I know there is supposed to be, it's not simulating under boost conditions. So like I said, that piston is supposed to leak a bit. How much is a bit? I'm not sure, so if you guys can educate me on that, cool. But I'm still going to pull it off and look at it anyways. Because yes, it is possible to have a boost leak through your blow-off valve. That was a lot of smoke, and I'm not used to it, but my old blow-off valve before I did this turbo setup was a Go Fast Bits, and when I smoke tested, it leaked a tiny bit. That was billowing, so I don't know what the difference is. I'm gonna have to pull it out and just check on it. 2, smoke did get passed through the turbo and it was coming out here, so it did kind of pressurize all of this, so I just reseated and retightened everything. The next thing I'm going to do is my wastegate. I've already pressure tested it, like with it off the car, and I made sure it closed. It was fine. I might have to do that again. I guess what I'm going to do is run this line to my port and just smoke test it and see what happens. So essentially what this is going to tell me is if it's leaking externally, right? So it's not holding pressure, right? It's going to be leaking somewhere here. I'm going to be able to see it here. Now if it's leaking an internal problem, so it would be coming out of the exhaust, and that will point to a wastegate. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead, refill this, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. Alright, pulled the wastegate off. You can see where it's wet. You see that? It's wet in the middle. On that piston, because I pressure tested from the top. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be, like, I don't know, but it is. Alright, so from doing some research, I believe that the wastegate is the issue, for sure. Just because everything else is perfect and the blow-off valve is supposed to be leaking. So when this is fully closed, the wastegate spring pressure should be down, and the top ports add pressure to keep it closed and to continue making more boost, right? And then once I hit the target boost, the pressure from the exhaust basically pushes on the piston and opens, and it's diverted away from hitting back into the turbo. So because that is, or was, leaking from the smoke, that should have been completely sealed off. That shouldn't have been wet at all, or smoke wasn't supposed to be getting through that at all from the top ports. So I guess that's where my 2 to 3 psi leak is coming from. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna be having to ordering a new wastegate, unfortunately. So yeah, we found the issue with the smoke tester, so fuck yeah, but also fuck. Alright, this is the next day, and yeah, wastegate is off. We have shit everywhere, like actually everywhere. So So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the bumper off the car, pull the blow off valve, and then take them both apart, wastegate and blow off valve, and see what's going on. I'm guessing that these seals are bad down there, so let's go ahead and pull the bumper off. Bumpers off. Now I loosened these up pretty good already, so yeah, it's just 2 bolts here and then 1 bolt down there, and it's off. All right, so blow off valve is out. We are solid. I guess now I'm just gonna take this off and fucking take it apart and see what's going on. So yep, like I said, that's done. The wastegate's off, and I'm bummed, pretty bummed. So I thought it was smooth sailing from here on out, but I guess I was wrong. I guess, yeah, I'll post some updates on my Instagram of me taking apart this. I don't know if I'll do a video, but yeah, I don't know when I'll get the parts ordered, just because, you know, if it is just a seal, maybe I'll try to just repair it that way. But if it's the actual entire thing, especially with me spending all the money on the motor already, I don't know if I want to put in abused parts that are having either boost control issues, whether it's up or down, and blow up a fully built motor with less than 500 miles on. I don't know. So I might just wait a couple weeks and buy one at a time. I don't know. So I'm gonna have to go to the drawing board and see what direction I want to go financially. But for now, this is where we're sitting, boys. So yeah, yeah, moving forward, I don't know, I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, at least the smoke machine did some good stuff, found some leaks. Now we gotta deal with it. So catch you guys in the next one, and peace.